So today we're gonna visit. Baby, tell me how to say that. Ngata Lord Egerton.
Yeah.
A few minutes later.
So today
Lord.
we're gonna visit Kenya, Nakuru, Ngata Lord Egerton. Jesus! This is good. Maybe he bought some land and then
What?
Yeah, both. Big,
Like
probably.
You've seen the mirror?
Yeah, it looks like he was running from me. Yeah, you know they say you shouldn't watch yourself in the mirror.
Why?
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna see Nakuru, Ngata, Kenya.
We're going to see white man that used to be big man, big fish here. You get me? Yeah, around this area. But he's late now, man. So we are going to see his property.
Okay.
It's called Lord Egerton.
So today we're gonna visit. Baby, tell me how to say that.
You can't remember even the first word, babe. What?
Lord?
Lord what?
Ngata Lord Egerton.
Yeah, that person was called
So today
Lord.
we're gonna visit Kenya, don't forget Kenya, Nakuru, Ngata Lord Egerton.
Egerton, enjoy.
Egerton.
On his mates akidai we lame. Bogi step for a session, how got nick for a GBH in court, me na kana.
Friendly advice, don't smoke cigarettes in this area because or you're gonna be arrested or you're gonna die.
Grab and take off, don't go ground, communities jumpy, don't you run, so you can play checker. Speedy kijana na sprint, he run, lil man trip off, catch him and wear him. Ching your bridge.
So from the main road, we have like 20 minutes walking until now. And then after we have more to walk. So energy is great and air is great and even smell is great here. I feel like oxygen is everywhere, and all that good stuff. I can't wait to eat fruit salad after this. I love chapati. I would advise all Kenyans to put salt on mandazi because they don't even know how good is that when we have that in Serbian river beaches. You can buy that, but it's called makike, and you put salt on that. Even you can put ketchup or something like that.
Sorry, don't cry,
Yeah, very nice. And of course, samosa. I see a lot of animals there. Interesting. For 1 month in Africa, I saw just from like, oh, what is that there? You see some wild cats.
His property.
Are they gonna shoot us if we go there? No. So as we can see, we are the Lord Egerton Castle. It's there. We already paid entry and everything. People are very friendly. And entry is just for two persons is just $17.
For resident citizen is $2 roughly. For non-citizen is like, let's say, $15 roughly. Yeah?
15, yeah.
Yeah.
So
now,
it's good. If you have money to come to Kenya, you should have $15 for entry. It's a beautiful place. Let's go.
Services?
Services is very, very nice. We love them. We recommended people to come there. Yeah, recommending people to come there.
From struggling life, now I'm on cash, I'm on De Niro. Na coding spread, then it's mine kijana ko high casino. And I do see the light, no.
This is good. Maybe he bought some land and then,
What?
Yeah, both. What? What you think?
I'm on De Niro, na coding spread, then it's mine kijana ko high casino. And I do see the light, no, end of the tunnel ni shimo. Choice ni mbili nishinde njaa ama mtu hivo. On ABC, broski from CBC. How do you claim you steal on me now? Ski broski, I'm home and free. Splash man up na spray on him. Being on time.
Oh, hello. Oh, hello. You can come to my castle. You're welcome. Can I meet him? Can you what? King? Of course not. What a stupid question. Just come inside.
I'm not an individual that pontificates. I'm not an individual that panders. I don't look for favors. I do not need any. I made my bonds long time ago. I met these individuals at their behest and request. Me, rewarded.
We are inside and we are with people who are very friendly to us. They're going to show us everything. And this was Lord Egerton. So now we're going to see his castle.
Yeah. So my name is Kelvin, and welcome to the Lord Egerton Castle.
Thank you.
So this was the owner of this house, Lord Maurice Egerton. So the name Egerton is a family name. So he's Maurice Egerton. He was born in 1875, in England. So his father was Alan de Tatton, the mother was Anna, the uncle Wilbraham, the grandfather William. So in the whole Egerton's family, he's the only member who came to settle here in Kenya.
Oh, so his parents, no one is from Kenya?
Yeah,
No one.
So they all were in England until their death in England, but he's the only one who came to Kenya. This land was given to him under the British ex-soldier settlement scheme. He was one of the ex-servicemen. He served in the Royal Navy. He retired after the First World War, and that's how he got all this land as part of compensation. So this was the center of the land from here to Nakuru town, to Njoro, to Salga, to Kabarak. So all round, this was like the center of the property.
Right.
So he reached here, he built his first house, a 2-roomed house. Years later, a second house with 6 rooms. Then this was the third house. So they are all just within the compound. So the first and the second is on this side. So in the second house before this, that is where he was staying, where he invited the lady for the first time, the woman he wanted to marry. So the lady was
She was Kenyan?
No, she was from England, the lady.
Okay. Why?
So the lady was from England. Her name was Lady Victoria. So when she was invited in the second house, she didn't like that house. It was too small. And she referred to that 6-roomed house as a bird's nest because her standard could not fit there. So the lady went back. He decided to import materials to come up with this house to try to impress the same lady. So here, apart from stones and sand, those are local materials. The rest were imported, like wood, glasses, roofing, tiles, even labor, 38 to around 1950, because transport was low, the World War II, the planning, the workmanship. So after the completion of this house, Maurice Egerton invited the lady to see the house, and she came.
He was waiting there all the time.
Yeah, the lady was waiting. The man was also waiting. So he invited the lady. The lady came. She saw the house, but again, she was not impressed. It wasn't up to the standard that she expected. So she said that he has moved from the nest into a horse's stable. Then the lady went back.
Wow.
So it is the disappointment that made him to become bitter.
Is that when he was wanted everyone to call him Lord?
No, he was already a lord by the time he was settling here in Kenya. He was already a baron because when the father died in 1920, he took over. Maurice Egerton took over the title as the family wealth.
Okay.
I mean, by 1939, he started his farm school, Egerton Farm School, the current Egerton University.
Here in Nakuru?
Yeah, Egerton University is in Njoro. He also had a sisal mill factory, a cheese factory. So those are some of the properties that also kept him busy while he was staying here. So at the time of his death in 1958, he was the last Egerton. He was the last in the line, Maurice Egerton. So when he died, Egertons ended with him.
Yes, and this belonged to Nakuru city.
Yeah, but under Egerton University. So it was handed over to Kenyan from Kenyan government to Egerton University.
Yes.
So he was buried in Nakuru town, Nakuru North Cemetery. Yeah, Nakuru North, Nakuru Provincial Hospital. So that is where his grave is.
I'm not an individual that pontificates.
These are radios for communication.
Wireless set.
I have seen a wireless set, yeah. So there was wireless.
Yes.
This is telephone, 1931 telephone.
This is for music, right?
For this a short range, just within his farm to communicate maybe with his farm managers. He was also a pioneer aviator. Yeah, he was among the first to fly in Britain, and he worked with the Wright brothers who invented the plane. So he was a pioneer aviator. So he also participated in Grand Prix, the Formula One by then.
He was doing anything.
He was quite adventurous. Yeah, he was quite busy. So
we can call him an explorer.
Yeah, he was an explorer. He was a photographer.
Unusual for in everything.
So the rest of the pictures is about their home in England. He expanded their home in 1930. They also visited by the royal family. That is in 1887. In 1900, they hosted a house party. Their workers in England, their home plus the compound. So the pictures were taken in 204.
This is all now in England?
Yeah, in England, Then, by then, East Africa was known as a winter home for the aristocrats. So during winter, they used to come here to do sport hunting to escape the harsh conditions of winter. Then radios also there for communication. You see a fluorescent tube also.
What is that?
Fluorescent tube. For lighting, yes. So meaning during his time, the house was fully connected with electricity and also piped water. So more radios also on this side for communication.
Wow, very big equipment. This is light not from his time, right?
Yeah, this is additional. It's a replacement. So this was the reception. Then this was the waiting lounge, waiting room. So they wait here before they see him.
Here is very different energy, maybe because of light, light that is coming here. But it's really chill here. I could chill here with hot.
It's more comfortable.
Yeah,
you see big windows, no grilling, so more natural lighting and also for better view. These are the presidents of Kenya, the former presidents. From the first, the Jomo Kenyatta. The second, Daniel Arap Moi. Then the third, Mwai Kibaki. The fourth, Uhuru Kenyatta. You have seen the fifth at the entrance there.
Ruto.
Yeah, Ruto, So when time is due, he will also be added here.
Of course, yes. Wow. I never know that Kenya had only 4 presidents. We have 4 since 2005. Yeah.
The second president served for the longest, almost 24 years.
Wow.
Yeah, if this constitution was applying by then, those could have been like 5 presidents. So there is a toilet there and a bathroom. For this room.
I expected that thing to go down, but it's the full.
WC.
Nice, we're here. We will not. Yeah, same after you see over here, 2023.
So this is one of the visitors' room. Guest bedroom. So initially, according to his plan, this was to be the baby's room, but since he never had it, was turned to be a visitor's bedroom. This is additional. Yeah, it's an exchange between Ngata Primary. You said you saw Ngata Primary down there. So they have a partnership with Mosley Primary from England. So they usually do exchange programs. They usually visit each other.
Nice.
And you see a comparison between the two homes, the home in England and here in Kenya. So they were trying to compare the two. In terms of appearance, they look somehow the same, but in terms of size, the home in England is much bigger than where we are.
Yes. Well, that's why I was confused there when I was looking at that. They look the same, alike.
Yeah, they look alike. Then this is a separate entrance for visitors when coming in or accessing this side of the house. So this was the main visitor's bedroom.
Visitor's bedroom.
Yeah, but it was later turned to be his when he became old. So he was weak; he could not climb up.
He could not.
So he was moved here, and this is where he died in 1958. So these are some of the original furnitures.
And this also.
Yeah, the dressing table.
Yeah,
the mirror.
they say you shouldn't watch yourself in the mirror.
Why?
They say like that, but I'm doing that.
Or maybe too much horror movies.
Maybe,
like
probably.
You've seen the mirror? That horror movie.
It looks like he was running from me.
Where the real person moves, but the image just stays.
Like Callisto Symboma.
Nigerian, so those content creators.
Yes. This is his
the traveling trunk. It's like a suitcase. Where you hang. So this is how you close it after packing.
That's one.
Yeah, so you travel with your suit straight, no wrinkling.
And one person can take that.
It just depends with how strong the person is.
He had one more bathroom.
Yeah, bathroom here. So every bedroom here has a toilet and a bathroom separately. See, they are very spacious.
For that time, it's very good. It looks very good.
More comfortable.
Exactly.
But it's only people of this level during that time could afford such lifestyle.
Yeah, absolutely. Even you can see windows are there, some special mechanic thing. It's not regular.
Original log said the brand of family crest on them.
A lion.
A lion and an arrow. Family symbol.
Spin around with stick they hide out from a puma. Then shop your food in a zizi. Na smoke kama oka kuka. Hold up and shake a valley pronomo. Hold up your pull up. Beg not glove pa unga. Mean I'm shit.
This was the main control for electricity. This was the original setup.
Made in England.
General Electric Company, GEC. The main supply for East Africa by then was from Uganda in Jinja. So from Jinja to Nakuru town, then Nakuru town to here. And this line was direct, no tapping from this line.
Still on toes. Na prichoba still on load. Na drop your fella and I like kwa flow. But still your shank na get more sucked from drafted test. Na mroll kakawa na msplit na mbanka tuki bro. K1 was sent to God. Oi, choose we set to go. Ni MPC na na dining drop, get pop, get pop, get bored.
There was fire, right?
Yeah, fire. So coal and firewood. They put coal at the sides. You bake in the oven, then firewood, cooking on top. So it's just like the modern cooker.
Yeah,
It has an oven
just
and
bigger
burners
a
on top.
little
Yeah.
bit, yes.
And difference in fuel. So kitchen, and then the kitchen store, and then the changing room
Okay.
for the workers.
Oh,
Mm.
wow.
Then this was his parking garage.
Oh,
And then that was the workers' house over there.
oh. He had rooms there for the workers
Yeah, for
and
the
here.
workers.
And here, right?
No, it's only there.
Oh.
It's just their working area.
So he lived totally alone in this
Yeah,
apartment?
this house was just for him.
Okay.
So the roofing at the back side of the house is wooden shingles, but at the front side is clay tiles.
Clay tile.
Yeah, clay tiles. See, different material from this one. Oh, that one.
Oh.
So the second floor. So this was to be the room for the lady. So if the lady had accepted, this was to be her bedroom. On the other side, her dressing closet, her toilet, and her
They wouldn't
bathroom.
be in the same room?
Yeah, according to the aristocratic setup, they have separate rooms.
Oh. And this is all people who was working?
Yeah, no, this is additional. It's just random pictures about different phases of
Kenya
Kenya.
face.
Yeah,
Yes, yes,
so
yes.
they were all taken in 1989 by Preston and Betty Jones. So these were the photographers of all this. So this is when they came to Kenya in 1989 and they were hosted by Egerton University. So they took these pictures randomly in places they passed through.
And that is Kenyan face. Like I saw people on the street like that. All that. Oh, especially like that. Oh, that.
Yeah, you see how it was well
Wow.
detailed.
These for towels, man. We
Very
don't have
shiny.
this now.
Imagine it was connected to the boiler, so you hang there the towel as hot water runs through.
Wow.
So it warms the towel by the time you're through with bathing.
Small tub though. I'm wondering how it's not bigger.
Yeah, the upstairs sitting room, so it's the family
Is
sitting
this
room, the family room.
down here? Is that room with
Yeah, with
lights?
the chairs. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
You can see this part is very, very good somehow.
very-
Yeah,
yeah.
maybe because of light.
Yeah, because of more lighting.
Or maybe here they was like most fun part of you know, when he was living here, maybe he had most fun when his friends was there or something.
Yeah, maybe. And this was the family sitting room. There's a partnership that is there between China and Egerton University. But even Maurice Egerton, during his time, he traveled to as far as China because he was an explorer and he liked traveling a lot. Then this is a dark room. It's called a dark room.
Is he bringing here people to punish when they're not good?
It was his photo developing studio.
For photos?
For photos, yeah.
Oh,
This way used to develop his photo. Remember I told you he was a very keen photographer. So after taking pictures, this way used to print his pictures.
yes.
Yeah, so films are light sensitive. So if you want to print the pictures, for the pictures to come out clear, you do it away from natural light. So this room has to be dark.
Yes, yes, yes. He
Yeah.
closed this window.
Yeah, and there's a red light here that is lit up here, a very dim red light, so that you can see what you are doing. Then this big pipe here is the breather. It's like a suction tube, so it absorbs fumes from the chemicals, takes them out.
Oh.
Yeah. You just close this door, you see how dark it can be.
Yes. Totally dark.